everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy Stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngethonga. Guys, yabona bakhona umdlalo ke la kudide khona ama writers ukukhulunywa ke ngethonga guys. The story is so confusing. But guys, what is currently happening manje ukuthi ke uLungelo bakithi uthi uyamthanda ngempela ke uIminati, but now the question is uIminati uyamthanda ngempela yini uLungelo noma she just want to be the part of the family. So ke guys, indaba ke kaBanele noSanele iyona ke serious ngempela ke kulezi insuku, njengoba ke uBanele engafuni nje ukubuyela ke kwabafileyo, ufuna ukuhlala la aphile la using uSanele. And ke guys, ifamily ke especially uma wabo uyamncenga kuBanele ukuthi hayibo Banele, you must go back where you come from and let Sanele live his life to the fullest, because impilo yakhe yanqanyulwa and you can't be using impilo kaThwini wakho to live wena walena engaphili. So guys, I don't know, like when I'm trying to think ukuthi how did the writers come to like this kind of a storyline, like kwakwenze njani, bafike kanjani la, or something went wrong, I don't know. But it's so confusing, it's actually boring. Yabona nje ithonga liyabhora nje, abantu ke they starting to miss umkhokha, ukuthi hayi cha umkhokha was far better because bekune idea illogical ukuthi kahle hle what is happening guys. But la kwithonga like we don't know. But yeah, toward the end of the week bathi ke uBanele ke will say his goodbye and ke uSanele will come back, which I think guys uBanele is playing games, akazohamba but uzobuya phinda zenze ke uSanele. So this story angazi ukuthi sophela lini, because no I think mesiyodlala lapha ku163 actually guys, because no ayakhona lokho esikukhokhelayo ngempela. Angazi guys uthini ke umbono wakho ngale storyline, but ke izinto ke zikanjalo guys, it's Banele, Sanele, it's a lot, and on the other side uLungelo kanye ke noIminati. That brings us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.